Hello students, welcome in RPS math classes. Dear students, previous day I had taught for class 8 topic exponents. In second lecture I am going to solve some problems for the chapter of exponents. Question students, prove that a per 0 power equal to 1. Solution students, solution a per 0 power equal to, you can write a per 1 power minus a per 1 power minus 1 power. Now students, a per 0 power equal to LHS. A per 0 power equal to a per 1 power divide a per 1 power. Because the students, we know that if base is same and the symbol is divided, then power will be subtract. Here has been written a per 1 minus 1 power. It can be written in same way. It means a per 1 power y a per 1 power. This can be written in same way. So I have written here a per 1 power minus 1 power equal to a per 1 divide a per 1. Now students, a per 0 power equal to 1. Proved. Same way students, you can write, आप कह सकते हो इसमें कि किसी भी संख्या पर अगर पावर 0 है, वह संख्या चाहे कुछ भी हो, पॉजिटिव हो, नेगेटिव हो, रियल नंबर हो, चाहे वो संख्या कुछ भी हो, किसी भी संख्या पर अगर पावर 0 है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 होगा. थैंक यू. क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2a. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, exercise 2a, some important questions. Find the value of x for which 5/3 per minus 4 power into 5/3 per minus 5 power equal to 5/3 per 3x power. Now students, you can write solution 5/3 per minus 4 power into 5/3 per minus 5 power equal to 5/3 per 3x power. Students, here base is same and symbol is multiplication, then power will be added. So we can write students 5/3 per minus 4 power plus minus 5 power. Now you can write 5/3 per 3x power. Dear students, you can write 5/3 per minus 9 power equal to 5/3 per 3x power. Students, LHS and RHS is equal. And here also base are also equal. Base is also equal. Yes. It means exponent is also equal because LHS and RHS is equal. So you can write as students 3x equal to minus 9, x equal to minus 9/3. So x equal to minus 9/3 equal to minus 3 answer. Next question students, next question, if 5 पर 2x plus 1 power divide 25 equal to 125. Find the value of x. Solution, students. Solution. You can write 5 पर 2x power plus 1 divide. You can write here divide 25 equal to 125. Now students, you can write 5 पर 2x plus 1 power equal to 125 into 25 by cross multiplication here. Students, you can write cross multiplication. Now students, 5 पर 2x plus 1 power equal to 5 पर 3 power into 5 पर 2 पावर. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमने प्रयास क्या किया कि सब का बेस सेम लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. इधर भी हम बेस 5 लाने जा रहे हैं, इधर भी बेस को हम 5 लाने जा रहे हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 5 पर 2x plus 1 पावर इक्वल टू 5 पर 5 पावर. स्टूडेंट्स, अब देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ दोनों का बेस सेम हो गया. LHS और RHS भी सेम हो रहा है, इसलिए पावर भी सेम हुआ. नाउ 2x plus 1 equal to 5. 2x equal to 5 minus 1. 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2 answer. Now students, understanding? Any problem? If you have any problem, you can ask. Dear students, I am solving some questions. After this method, you can solve this chapter. Dear students, I am suggesting to you, subscribe my videos and share to other students. Thanks, students.